Plex Media Server. How to use Plex Media Server. Plex Media Server is a fantastic tool for organizing and streaming your personal media collection, movies, TV shows, music, photos, etc., across all your devices. Here's a beginner-friendly guide to get you started. Step 1. Install Plex Media Server 1. Choose a device. Install Plex Media Server on a device that will act as your server. This could be a computer, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, a NAS, network-attached storage device, or even an NVIDIA Shield. 2. Download the software. Visit the Plex website, https://support.plex.tv/article/200264746-quick-start-step-by-step-guides, and download the Plex Media Server installer for your chosen device. 3. Run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the software. Once installed, the server will run in the background. Step 2. Set up your Plex account 1. Create an account. Go to plex.tv, https://support.plex.tv/article/200264746-quick-start-step-by-step-guides, and sign up for a free account. This account will help you manage your server and access your media from anywhere. 2. Claim your server. When you first launch Plex Media Server, it will prompt you to log in and claim the server. This links the server to your Plex account. Step 3. Add your media libraries 1. Organize your media. Before adding media, organize your files into folders, example movies, TV shows, music, and name them clearly for better recognition. 2. Add libraries. In the Plex web app, go to Settings, Libraries, Add Library. Select the type of media, example movies, TV shows, and point Plex to the folder where your files are stored. 3. Metadata matching. Plex will automatically fetch metadata, like posters, descriptions, and cast info, for your media, making your library visually appealing. Step 4. Install Plex apps on your devices 1. Download the Plex app. Install the Plex app on your devices, smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, streaming devices like Roku or Fire Stick. 2. Log in. Use your Plex account credentials to log in and connect to your server. 3. Start streaming. Browse your library and start streaming your media. Step 5. Explore advanced features 1. Remote access. Enable remote access in the server settings to stream your media from anywhere. 2. Plex Pass. Optional. Consider subscribing to Plex Pass for premium features like offline downloads, live TV, and DVR capabilities. 3. Sharing. Share your libraries with friends and family by inviting them via email. Tips for a smooth experience. Keep your server on. The server device must be powered on and connected to the internet for Plex to work. Transcoding. If your media files are in formats not supported by your devices, Plex will transcode them on the fly. Ensure your server has enough processing power for this. Backup your media. Always keep a backup of your media files to avoid data loss. Plex Media Server is incredibly versatile and user-friendly once you get the hang of it.